So in this video, you'll be making a turkey leg or turkey drumstick. To look at the size, this is a standard tablespoon or dessert spoon. See, it's almost this. It's so huge. It's almost 750. So I'm going to remove the skin quickly. Remove it nicely. So now you can see the skin is removed. There's some thick cartilage here. I removed that as well. It's almost look like a lamb leg. A bit of red meat here. So I'm just going to score it. So I scored it here on a slant, touching the bone. And then you can refer my tandoori chicken video, how we do the marination. So I'm using the same marinade. The link is below. You can check that one. So the first marinade, I keep it. The best is to keep it overnight because turkey leg is a bit of tough meat. So the more you keep it in the marinade is better. So this is the first marinade, applying it nicely. So the first marinade is done. Look at the size more, like my paw, the hand size. And look at the turkey leg. For a restaurant, it'll be awesome to carve it and give it. It's a lean meat as well. So now the turkey is marinated. We kept around 24 hours. Or let's say overnight, that is easy. After the first marination, we given the yogurt. So check the recipe from my previous tandoori recipe. It's exactly the same. So now we're going to put in the oven. The oven is preheated around full, almost 220 degree on a full fan heat. So we'll be cooking for 10 minutes on a high flame before it gets burnt color. So once you start getting the spot, we will turn the heat down to 170 and cook it for another 15 minutes, 15 or 20 till the meat gets soft. So now we place it. Keep it dripping. So after 10 minutes, around 250 degree, you can see the black spots came. So nicely roasted. I'm basting with oil. You can use ghee or even melted butter. So now finish cooking at 180 degree or 170 degree for another 15 to 20 minutes. So now it's straight out of the oven. You can glaze it with a bit of melted butter and sprinkle chaat masala and a bit of lemon juice. It's ready to go. And then if you have mint chutney, you can serve it with mint chutney.